We're here today doing runtime testing for our new routes between Burke VRE and Tysons that are going to start operating on January 14th. Runtime testing is when we actually have the bus drive the route to make sure that the times that we have listed on the schedules are accurate so that our passengers can have that predictable commute that they're looking for with the help of the 495 express lanes. The Burke VRE to Tysons line actually consists of 4 routes. 3 of those routes have specialized patterns once they get into Tysons Corner, and the 4th has a circulation pattern that combines the previous 3. This is going to allow our passengers to pick which route is the most direct route for them to get to their employer or whatever destination that they have in Tysons. Because it is a direct route, the fare is $3.65, but for VRE passengers that are transferring off of the Manassas line, it's actually a free fare. The main goal of all of these efforts today and year-round that we do are to take the single occupancy vehicle off of the road. And if that means that you ride share with carpools or van pools, if you take transit, if you telework, any of these options, the more cars that we can take off of the road, the less traffic that we're going to ultimately have. For more information, you can check out fairfaxconnector.com/express for our schedules as well as the route maps for this new service.